Planning for a loved one with special needs isn't just about having good intentions, right? It takes more than that. It takes careful legal steps to make sure they're protected for the long haul. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you exactly how to create an estate plan that supports a special needs beneficiary without risking those important government benefits. Hey, I'm Laura Croft from Timeless Estate Planning. If you're looking to feel more confident about your estate planning decisions, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more helpful videos. Now, today's question: how do you create an estate plan for your loved one with special needs? And what do you need to know to keep their government benefits safe? First off, when it comes to planning for a special needs beneficiary, it's different from regular estate planning. And trust me, I know firsthand. I've got special needs kids myself, so I get how important it is to protect their future while making sure they don't lose the support they rely on, like SSI or Medicaid. It's all about balance. So, why is this so important? Many people with disabilities get government benefits like SSI and Medicaid, but here's the thing: those programs have strict income and asset limits. So if you just leave them money in your will or through life insurance, you could accidentally disqualify them from those benefits. And trust me, that's something you do not want to happen. Now, this is where the special needs trust or a supplemental needs trust comes in. Here's the good news. A special needs trust allows you to set aside funds for your loved one's care and quality of life without messing with their eligibility for government benefits. It covers things that aren't included in SSI or Medicaid, like education, therapy, transportation, and yeah, even some fun stuff like recreation. The key here is that the money is there to enhance their life, not to replace the support they already get. You'll appoint a trustee to manage that money, and this could be a trusted friend or a professional. The trustee has full discretion over how the money is used, so they can make sure it's being used in the best way possible while preserving your loved one's benefits. Here's something that a lot of people overlook. You've got to plan for the long term. That includes naming a successor trustee, being super clear about your goals, and making sure all of your beneficiary designations, life insurance, retirement accounts, etc., are in alignment with your trust. You don't want any gaps, people. And here's the biggest mistake I see: doing nothing or relying on a generic will. This is a huge mistake because when it comes to special needs planning, one size does not fit all. You need a customized plan that's tailored to your loved one's specific needs. If you've got a loved one with special needs, don't wait. Contact us at Timeless Estate Planning and let's create a plan that gives you peace of mind and makes sure your loved one gets the support they deserve. If this video helped clear up some things for you, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and drop any questions you've got in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.